We first heard about Energy One when someone came knocking on our door, and we were packing, getting ready to leave town for a little bit of time. And she says, "I just need a few minutes of your time." And she said the word replacement windows, and I said, "Okay." Since I really wanted to do replacement windows, I said, I have a few minutes, I can listen to you, but we are truthfully leaving town. Here's our bags, and we will catch up with you when we get back.
When we did meet the sales director from Energy One, he was great. He had a great personality. He was very informative, very professional. Gave us a lot of information about how the windows were made, what made them energy efficient, safety precautions. Just gave us a great display of what the window could do for us, and he just was a very nice man. He didn't pressure us. He was very low key and just real matter of fact, down to earth. So, which is nice because we didn't want to feel pressure, even though we knew that we needed new windows. But it's always nice to talk to someone with a good personality, and so just very, very good rapport with him. We have lived in this house for 20 years, and we had the original windows, so it was really time to get new ones. The condensation in between the old ones were really bad, and the heat, of course, here in Arizona is just bad, so it was time to get the new ones. What I really liked about the Energy One windows is the ease of use. I mean, you can open them really well, the screens move, cleaning is just really easy. I'm very thankful for the safety precautions. We do have small grandkids, so you can only open them so far, and they won't, open all the way. Same thing with people trying to get in. Then, you've got your safety precautions. I like that they're triple paned, and being out here in the heat in the desert, you really feel that the heat is outside and not in the house. We feel like our cooling system is working more efficiently, so I really like that. And something I didn't even think about was I noticed around the house that my house is not as dusty. So the seals are just excellent. Again, being from the desert, you get that dust everywhere. And that's one thing I didn't think about it until I just noticed recently that the house isn't as dusty. So that's always a good plus for me, keeping my cleaning time at a smaller time so I can go out on our boat. Energy One has some of the best installers, and seeing as we've done a lot of remodeling in our home, I have to say they're one of the nicest group of people. They came in, they were very clean, very efficient, very personable. I felt like, I could talk to them, and they were very responsive, and but very on task, very organized. They did all the upstairs windows, and they came down and did all the downstairs and completely cleaned up after themselves. And so I had a really good experience with the installers. Very, very well done.
I would definitely recommend Energy One to our friends, family, anybody who walked down the street, even people that I saw in a store that were looking at windows. I'd probably go up and say something to them, because I think it's important that they know of other quality products that are out there, and there's quality products, but probably not for the price that Energy One is selling them for.
I would absolutely recommend Energy One to family, friends. I've talked to my neighbors. They have noticed that we had new windows, so I've talked to them already, and I said, you guys have got to get these windows. They're excellent. So hopefully you'll get some good referrals from that, because a lot of people have come by and just have commented, so I'm really pleased with that. My name is Karen.
My name is Bill, and we live in Scottsdale, Arizona.